The sun has gone down to the west. The water of the river is flowing. The birds are returning to their nests. The leaves of the trees are not nodding. They are not shaking their heads. And everything is calm and quiet here. In this evening, there is the cloud. There is some cloud in the eastern side of the sky. And the sky is blue with cloud. Yet the sky looks beautiful. The trees are standing. The leaves are not nodding. The chirping of the birds are coming. We can enjoy the beauty of nature. What a beauty the nature possesses. The glow of the sun, the rays of the setting sun falls on the water of the river. What is scenery we see, we watch, we enjoy.